All right, hello everybody. So the treatment that we are going to go over is the anagram, copy, and recall treatment, and it's also called the ACRT. And so this treatment is an evidence-based lexical treatment for writing single words for people with severe aphasia and agraphia. The treatment requires repetition so patients' determination and motivation to improve is very important for this treatment style. So while it's time intensive, this treatment can also be done at home with tools, helpers, and apps.
So the target population for this treatment are people with aphasia, people that have aphasia with agraphia. So these are individuals who have attention, determination, and motivation to complete the treatment. They also have graphomotor deficits and relatively preserved semantic system, and so this is required to be able to discern the words from the non-words. These people also have single word reading abilities and also good visual memory. The goals for this treatment are strengthening grapheme, morpheme representations to increase word spelling, oral reading, naming, repetition, and also functional goals to use writing as a compensatory form of communication.
Some of the materials needed for this treatment are client's targeted word list, pictured stimuli, paper, pen, and anagram letters. So we have a picture right here of a dog. We have the letters for dog. And then we have this paper where they get to copy it.
Yes. And then another thing for the materials is that the client's targeted word list should be 10 functional words per session. That is essential for the client's communication. And then also we have, for our example, just little written letters, but you can also use bananagram tiles or Scrabble tiles. So now we're going to do the procedure you would do for the ACRT as you could do in an actual treatment session. And so I will go through each step by step. Jacqueline will be the clinician and Kylie will be our client for our example. So for step 1, the clinician will show a picture of the targeted word and then would instruct the client to write the word on a piece of paper for the picture. And if the client is able to write the word, then they can move on to the next word on the list of their functional based words that they have for each session. But if not, if they can't write the word, then they would move on to step 2. So here's her word.
Write the word for this picture.
And then Kylie. So she was able to write the word. So we would move on to the next word. And so step 2 of the procedure is the anagram. So in this is where you bring in the bananagram, the Scrabble tiles, or you can make little lettered ones like we did. And so the clinician would then provide the targeted word, letter tiles in random order, and then would instruct the client to put the letters in order. If the client is not able to get the letters in the right order, then the clinician should arrange the letters in the right order for the client. So, all right. So we just did dog for our word. So now she's gonna scramble dog.
Okay. Put the letters in order. Okay, so as you can see, she misplaced the letters and spelled God instead of dog. Okay, so moving on to step 3.
So then since the client wasn't able to do that, then you would
arrange them in the correct order.
Yep, like that. All right, so now step 3 is copy. And so with the correct spelling visible, now the clinician would instruct the client to copy the targeted word 3 times. So,
okay, copy the word 3 times.
So she's copying the word dog.
Great job.
And she successfully did it 3 times.
She did.
And so now is step 4, and this is the recall. And so now the clinician is going to remove the paper and letters, show the picture again, and say, write this word on a new piece of paper. So now the client has it has a brand new stimulus. So we would remove the paper and the letters.
Okay. Write this word on a new piece of paper. Awesome job.
The client was successfully able to write the word dog when shown the picture of the dog. So